Hello everyone, Mike here. So I want to do a Doodly review. So they had the $67 promo on Facebook, and I've always been intrigued by these videos where people write stuff with the hand. So I figure why not? It's a one-time deal. Now, I saw a YouTube video on not to buy this $67 deal because it's basically a bait and switch where you pay the $67 and then they want you to buy a million things afterwards. And let me say, this guy is totally right. Okay, so he is actually right. The second I signed up, there was like a gazillion pages trying to sell me more stuff, right? It should just be one plan and then two plans, like not a million add-ons. Like if we go here, they actually have, you have to pay more for color, right? And then also there's like these little bundles that they want you to buy individually. Like I'm supposed to buy each of these one by one. Are you crazy? Right? It's a joke. So not too happy about that. There is a 30-day money back guarantee, so that's why I wasn't too worried about trying it. But it's definitely true that they want to nickel and dime you for everything, and people don't like that, and I definitely don't like that. But I'm going to go ahead and show you the actual Doodly platform. So here we go. All right, so you can actually download the app on your computer, whether you have a Mac or PC. This is the Mac version. So here's the home page. See the little toolbox. And then see how they call it the rainbow. Color is rainbow, and they want you to pay more. Then they got Toonly, Zoomly. So if we want to create a new video, just click that. It's pretty user-friendly, I would say, for the most part. Resolution, 1080p. Keep it simple. And change this, do a chalkboard, and create. Right, so here we are. So here is what you get for the $67. Everything just plain. If I want to do the color, everything is locked. Right, characters, they're all locked. So in general, it's pretty user friendly. You can just scroll through, see what you like here, and then just drag it over, drop it. Right, you can resize it. And then you can flip them back and forth. You can click the little gear, change the settings, change color, do apply, preview. Right? You can add. So you only get 3. You can add more, but I haven't looked into this. They probably have to pay for that to add these in here. So you just get some regular handwriting. And then you can double click it. Right, word wrap, I didn't like that. And then right to left, that looks weird. He writes it right to left, so don't do that. But and you just do preview. It's pretty nice. You do a quick preview. Hello. And click the gear, change the color. And apply. Do a little preview. Now, this isn't the best background for these colors, but this is just obviously a test video. So you can do a delay where it types it slower, basically. Now, this is supposed to be lifetime, but it's lifetime of the basic version. So you decide if you think that's worth it. I mean, it's kind of messed up. Now, you can change the hand. You can make it a cartoon hand, too. Right? And you can change the whiteboard. So let's see that preview. Thought I did cartoon hand. Let's see. Do apply. Alright. So there you go. So, I mean, in general, it's pretty cool. It's $67 with their little promotion. You decide if it's worth it. Now, they will try to nickel and dime you for everything. But if you just want a basic service of just typing words, you don't even care about the animations. You just kind of like how the words, because I've seen very popular channels that have just simply words with the hand being written out. So that may be enough for you. But one of the things that annoys me about this, if I want to delete him, it asks me this, and it doesn't ask me, like, usually you have, like, check a box, don't ask me this again. But I literally have to do that. And then when it puts in, like, there was one that I did, I think it was building a car, and it made me literally delete every single part of the car. It was very annoying. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. It's basic. Right, this is $67, supposed to be lifetime. You can change the outline, right, but you can't fill it in. So it won't look as nice unless you upgrade. So you get very, very basic package with the $67. But I guess some people pay a monthly fee for this, so $67 isn't too bad. But overall, that's the platform. Here's some of the tracks you do get with the basic version. You can add them in here, right? And then there's the marketplace, more images. It takes you where it wants you to buy more stuff, which I was showing earlier. So overall, it's okay, but it would have been nice if they just had 2 plans and they spelled it out more before you bought it. But yeah, it is a 30-day money-back guarantee, so this is what you're getting for the $67. So you make up your mind. You make the decision. I want to say if you got help from this video, found it useful, please consider liking and subscribing and hitting that bell just in case you want to see videos in the future.